Make a great choice today with the 2020 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, wheel covers, FWD, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.